Alright, now.
I've already started it.
Alright, let's see this. Oh, he's got
What are you
What does he
doing?
have? Can't even see you. Bro's had enough of his headphones. Bro's had enough of his headphones. I can't even see your body. I can't even see your
Here
body.
we go again with headphones abuse number 2.
Oh my god, I can't breathe, bro. This is amazing. Oh my god. What is he doing?
I can't.
What is that mask you have on? What is that mask you have on, bro? What is that mask you have on? I want to see it up close.
Forget this. I'm getting something else.
What are you wearing? I want to see what you're wearing. What are you wearing? Get the lawnmower. He's getting a 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 lawnmower.
No.
He's getting a lawnmower. He's getting a lawnmower.
Your phone is cutting out how loud it is.
Oh, that's. I'm not even risk gas. I think I did one. So.
This is so stupid. What are you doing?
I can't right now.
He's just destroying everything. He got out of what is that? Hammer. He has a hammer. He has a sledgehammer. He has a sledgehammer.
The fact he's in a Walmart cat mask or something makes it so much
I know, right? Are you recording my voice? Are you recording our voices?
It should have voice this time.
You're just trying to go at it. Bro literally just wearing a black cat mask.
My bad. I didn't know you were over there.
I'm dead.
I'm dead. Me too. Man, I'm dead.
Oh, that thing doesn't have batteries.
Got a fursuit head on. Fake fursuit head on. What are you gonna do now for instead of having headphones? What are you gonna do now instead of having headphones? What is he doing?
I swear, if his parents come home and just see him in the garage doing this.
Bruh, I know, right? It's gonna be so crazy. His parents would be laughing their asses off, if anything. This is amazing. They'd be laughing their asses off, if anything.
I think I made my point. Razor sucks.
Point a long time ago, buddy. You made your point a long time ago.